Let's talk about the first quarter of 2023 in the Whistler and Pemberton real estate markets. January 2023 was a very slow month in terms of sales, but the markets rebounded in February and March. This came as a function of increased economic certainty, as the Bank of Canada has signaled that interest rate increases have likely come to an end. This grounding of rates has led to an increase in market activity, and with our inventory still being low, this has even resulted in us seeing the return of multiple offers. In Whistler, there were a total of 113 sales in the first quarter, with 93 of those sales accounting for 82% of all Q1 sales coming in February and March. Inventory improved slightly throughout the quarter, rising from 200 units in January to 229 in March, but inventory remains a major market constraint. The median sales price of properties increased both year over year and quarter over quarter for townhouses and condos, while the market saw a slight decrease in the median price of single-family homes. Looking forward to the second quarter, we anticipate an increase in inventory as ski season and rentals wrap up, and sellers may be more interested in putting their properties up for sale, potentially fueling the spring market. From an economic standpoint, some uncertainty remains as a result of the recent Silicon Valley Bank failure, which may make this a good time to invest in less volatile assets such as resort real estate.
In Pemberton, there were a total of 23 sales in quarter one, with over half of those sales coming in the month of March. Inventory levels remained relatively flat throughout the quarter, with an average of 51 units available. Median sale price was up quarter over quarter for both single-family and townhouse units, while days on market decreased for both these two categories. Looking forward, there is an exciting new project coming to Pemberton. The Tankwell building will offer 10 new condo units and 2 commercial spaces centrally located in downtown Pemberton. You can register your interest in the project now, and construction is slated to begin later this year. To learn more, please visit or contact your local Whistler Real Estate Company agent.
Before we wrap up, and as the federal tax deadline approaches at the end of April, we wanted to mention Canada's Underused Housing Tax, also known as UHT, which is new for the 2022 tax year. Generally speaking, UHT is an annual 1% tax on residential property owned by non-resident, non-Canadians that is deemed to be vacant or underused, as per Canada Revenue Agency legislation. There are situations, however, where the tax reporting obligations could apply to Canadian citizens or residents, so it's really important to understand whether, as a property owner, you are excluded or affected based on your specific situation. Tax filing application of the UHT is quite complicated, and we recommend that you talk to your accountant or tax professional about how it may impact you or your Whistler or Pemberton property. Filings are due April 30th this year, but due to the confusion surrounding UHT, the federal government will waive penalties and interest for late paid UHT as long as the return is filed or paid by October 31st, 2023. That's it for our first quarter market recap. For more information, please contact your Whistler Real Estate Company agent. We will see you again in July for our second quarter market update. Thank you for watching.